In this video, I'm going to be creating a bot for a roadside assistance company. Let me switch it over to my screen so I can start. Okay, so we're in Amazon Lex and we're going to go over to create a bot or create bot. So leave it on create a blank bot. Scroll down to bot name and name the bot. Leave the description. Then go to I am permissions. Okay, if this is your first time creating a bot, you want to go to create a role with basic Amazon Lex permissions. But since I've made one before, I'm going to go to use an existing role. I'm going to use that role. Go down and hit next. Then you want to set the language. It's already on English. Scroll down and you can select your voice. I'm going to leave it on Danielle.
Hello, my name is Danielle. Let me know how I can assist you.
Then we're going to hit done. Then you get at the top a green banner that lets you know that your bot was successfully created. Now we're going to set the bot up. Okay. We're going to add the intent. We're going to name it main intent. Oops, I forgot that you can't put a space. You have to put like an underscore. Okay. Then we're going to go down. And we're going to add the utterances. And we're going to say, I need a toe. And my car broke down. And I need roadside assistance. And help me with my car. Okay. Then we're going to add closing response. We're going to put, I can help you with that. What seems to be the problem with your vehicle? Then we're going to hit save intent. Okay, once the intent is saved, we're going to hit build. And we got to wait for it to build the bots. Okay, so once you get the green banner, it lets you know that your bot was successfully built. Now we want to test it. We're going to hit test over here in the corner. And then we're going to type out, I need a toe. And I'm going to hit return. Okay, so now we know that our bot is working. The test went through. I said I need a tow. It responded back, I can help you with that. What seems to be the problem with your vehicle? Bot successfully made.